Electronics Tech. Today I'm going to be doing a iPhone 6 water damaged phone. Unfortunately the customer had dropped it down the toilet, so I have the pleasure of getting it working again. So yeah, take note and enjoy the video. Today we'll be working on a iPhone 6. This phone has been water damaged. So what we need to do is we need to open it up and assess the damage inside. First of all, you need to undo the two locking nuts. Use the spudger tool and release the screen off the frame while doing this very gently. Lift the screen and assess the damage. As you can see, there's quite a substantial amount of water inside the phone. The white tag has now gone pink, which is not a good sign. You need to release the battery off the board.
The matrix is everywhere. It is all around us.
After doing this, undo the 5 screws for the LCD plate and remove the LCD connectors.
When you go to work, when you go to church, when you pay your taxes.
At this stage there's no corrosion around the connectors, which is a good sign, but the white tag is now red, which is a clear indication there has been water present inside the phone. So what we need to do is we need to remove the board off the frame and get it cleaned as soon as possible.
What truth?
Once the board is removed from the phone, it's time to go into the ultrasonic cleaner. Pour in your chem solution into the ultrasonic cleaner. Pop in your board. Set the ultrasonic cleaner for 7 minutes and press start. The ultrasonic cleaner is a very handy tool to have. It sends out high frequency vibrations of about 43 gigahertz.
Do you want to know what
Ultrasonic cleaner cleans dentures, braces, jewellery, electronic components.
Even now,
Is a must at every repair store.
you can see it when you look out your window or when you turn on your television. You can feel it when you go to work, when you go to church, when you pay your taxes.
Once the 7 minutes is exceeded, it's time to pull the board out. Place the board on a flat surface and start preparing to clean it with isopropyl.
It is the world that has been pulled over your eyes to blind you from the truth.
You will also need a heat gun or hair dryer to help with the drying process. Take your time. Now it's nearly time to marry the logic board back with the housing. Make sure you have a brand new LCD and a brand new battery to test the functions of the logic board. Connect everything together and then press power. And there you have it, guys, a working phone. All you need to do is re-screw everything back together, close it up,
Do you
and there you
want to
have it.
know
Thanks for watching.
it